From centimeters to millimeters, we jump just once. So into 10, 250. Hello all, welcome to my channel Crack It with CK. Today we are going to do metric conversion. This is what you have to memorize, guys. If you know this well, you will be able to do all the conversions in minutes. These are the basic units: meter, liter and gram. Like if you have to measure long distances, then you have to say kilometers. If you have to measure something very small like the parts on your ruler, then there will be millimeters. Liter is for liquid, like if you have to measure how much milk you have to buy, and gram or kilogram is for stuff like fruits and vegetables and grains and as such. So let us see how to convert them now. You have to remember these things. When we are moving from left to right, we will multiply. I will tell you what we have to multiply it with. And if we are moving towards the left, then we need to divide. Now, there are many ways in which people memorize this. You know, there is this old way of saying that King Henry died and mother didn't cry much. If that works for you, you use that. Or King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Nobody dies by drinking chocolate milk. But anyway, or the best thing is kilo, hecto, deca. Meter, liter, gram will come here. Deci, centi, milli. Just memorize this. Now let's see, from 8 kilometers is equal to dash meters, they are saying. From kilometers to meters. Most of the conversion happens either from here to here or from here to here. Most of them. Some schools or institutions even ask right straight from kilometers to centimeters also. I have not done that in this video. If at all you want me to do it, just write in the comments section below. Maybe I will make another video on that. Okay, now the basic ones. From kilometers to meters, if I have to go kilometers to meters, how many jumps do I do? I am here at kilometers. I have to jump up to meter. Meter is here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 jump towards the right means I multiply by what? 3 jumps I'm taking, so multiply by 1000. Why 1000? 3 jumps, so I'm taking 3 zeros. So straight away, 8000. Next is 6 centimeters to millimeters. Centimeters here. Centimeters to millimeters we have to go. So how many jumps? Just one jump from left to right. So I will multiply it by 10. Just one jump. So this 10, which is 60. Next is 180 millimeters to centimeters. Millimeter to centimeters. Now what is the direction in which we are jumping? Right to left. Just one jump. So I'm just going to divide this by 10, which will become 18. Okay, here is the chart for our reference. Here also I have written, if we are going towards the right, we multiply, and if we are going towards the left, we divide. Quickly now, come on. 6 kilometers to meters. From 6 kilometers, we are here, we have to go up to meters. 1, 2, 3. Multiply by 1000. 6000. 30 meters to centimeters. Meters is here. Centimeters is here. How many jumps do we take? 1, 2. So 2 zeros. 2 zeros means not only zeros, obviously 100. Into 100. 30 into 100 is 3000 centimeters. Next one, 450 centimeters to millimeters. From centi to milli. Multiply by 10. 450 into 10. One more zero you have to add. 7000 millimeters to centimeters. Millimeter to centimeter. Divide by just one jump. So divide by 10. 8 meters is dash millimeters. 8 meters and millimeters. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 towards the right means, so we multiply by 1000 and so on. Next one, 25 centimeters is dash millimeters. From centimeters to millimeters, we jump just once. So into 10, 250. Kilometers to meters, how many jumps? 1, 2, 3. Left to right into 1000. 4 meters to centimeters, okay. Meters to centimeters, from left to right, 2 jumps. So into 100. 90 meters to centimeters. 90 meters to centimeters, 1, 2. Into 1, 2. The last one on this, 3000 mm to m, okay. 3000 millimeters to meters. So how many jumps we are taking? 1, 2, 3. From right to left. From right to left, we divide. So 3000 divided by 1000, which is just 3. Now let us do sum with decimal numbers. For decimal numbers, if you all have seen my video of decimal fun, which I'm going to attach at the end of this video, if you all have watched this will become very easy for you. Okay, so now if we have to multiply anything by 100, same thing we are doing, okay. You just have to place your pen or point on the decimal point. If there is no decimal point, you place it at the end of the number. Will you remember that much? So for multiplying, again, we are going towards the right. For division, we will go to the left, okay. If you have to multiply this by 100, this point will come 1, 2. So it will come after the number 3. So if you don't put the point over there, it is fine. This again you have to multiply by 100. So 1, 2. And then the point will come. Fill this up with the 0, the empty space. So where is the point now? 5, 4, 6, 8, 0. You have to divide this number by 10. The decimal place is not there, so you put it here. Divide by 10 means just one jump because there is 1 0 backwards. 77.6. And the last example, 2 zeros, na? So 2 jumps. 1, 2. Place the point here, put a 0 here. So this is 0.04876. And to show that this point clearly, you have to put another 0 in front of it. Kilometers to meters. Again, kilometers to meters. 1, 2, 3. Moving towards the right, 3 jumps from the decimal point. 1, 2, 3 and point. So what will the answer be? 6750. Next is meters to centimeters. Meters and centimeters. From left to right. 1, 2. 2 jumps, so multiply by 100. What do we do? From the decimal point, I will jump twice. 1, 2. 38.5. Next is centimeters to millimeters. Where is it? Centi, milli. From here, I'm just jumping once, so multiply by 10. 1 jump, okay, 45.6. Are you all following me, guys? Next is millimeters to centimeters, okay. Where's millimeter? Milli to centi. I'm coming backwards, just 1 jump, so divide by 10. From here, 1 here. So the answer will be 0.7005. Now I'll go a little faster. Now meters to millimeters. Meters to millimeters. 1, 2, 3. Into 1000. 1, 2, 3. So 2850. Centimeters to millimeters. Into 10. 2.50. Kilometers to meters. 1, 2, 3. Into 1000. So 1, 2, 3. The point will come after 5. 1945. Meters to centimeters. Meters here. Centimeters. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 0.4. Centimeters to millimeters. Now you know centimeters to millimeters is just 1 into 10. So from here to here, 87.25. Millimeters to meters, okay? Millimeters here to meters. 1, 2, 3. Jumping backwards, so we divide. Now divide from here means how much, guys? 1, 2, 3. So 0.00065. Let's check this again. The point is here, okay? So that means ideally the point was here, right? And we have to jump thrice. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's correct. Now let us do some uncommon ones. What are uncommon ones? These like hectometer, decameter, which doesn't really come everywhere, but yes, in some higher classes they will ask you a conversion of this in geometry and all. So let us do some of that. Same rule we have to apply. Hectometers to meters. Hectometer to meter, 1, 2. Multiply by 100. 1, 2, 320. Decimeter to centimeter. What is the difference between deca and deci? Deci will just have D. So it is decimeter, dm. Deciliter, dl. Decigram, dg. Okay. And if it is decameter, then you have to write da. That is the difference between deca and deci. So now this is decimeter to centimeter, which deci is here and centi is here. So jump to the right once. Multiply by 10. 450. Decameter to meter. Okay, where is decameter to meter into 10. 7.5. I hope you're understanding how I'm placing the point, guys. Otherwise, I told you before also, watch that video. 6.8 centimeters to millimeters. Centimeter to millimeter. Multiply by 10. 68. 1200 grams to kgs. Where is gram? Here, gram to kgs here. Divide 1, 2, 3. Divide, we get 1, 2, 3, 1.2. Kg to gram. Okay, multiply by 1000. 36. Centigram to gram. Centigram to gram. That means from here to here. Divide by 100. 2.5. Liters to milliliters. Liter is here. Liters to milliliters. So 1, 2, 3. Multiply by 1000. 1, 2, 3. 9. Next one is 7 kiloliters to liters. 7.5, sorry. 7 kiloliters to liters. 1, 2, 3. Multiply by 1000. So 1, 2, 3 and then a point, right? 7,500. And the last one on this page, mg to g, milligram to gram. From milligram to gram, 1, 2, 3. 3 places backwards, okay. 1, 2, 3 and then you put a point here. 0.430. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, now I'm going to put up a test. Let me see who all can score full in it. This is it, guys. You can use the reference table I have provided. Write down all the answers. I'm going to reveal it in just a bit. And in the comment section, you can tell me who all have scored full. Or you can tell me a score, even if it is 4 on 5. It's pretty okay. Okay, I'm putting up the answers now. Okay, that is all for today. I will come up with another video very soon. I will be uploading the next phases very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.